Today we're building a clean editorial-style collage that looks like it belongs inside a high-end magazine. Start by choosing 2 or 3 images that share a similar theme: fashion, architecture, objects, anything with structure. Place each image on separate layers and crop them into neat rectangles. Leave generous spacing between them. The breathing room is part of the style. Now add a crisp white or beige background to unify the layout. Create thin line dividers using the line tool. These lines act as visual guides that separate sections without clutter. Slightly tilt one of the images to break perfection and give the collage character. Add a small headline in a minimalist serif font and reduce opacity slightly to blend it in. Keep text short. Editorial designs thrive on simplicity. Finally, add a soft shadow underneath each image for a subtle layered effect.